Everyone is wrong about the proven system for AI-powered content creation, and I am going to prove it in this video. Myth number 1. You need motivation to succeed at the proven system for AI-powered content creation. Wrong. Motivation is the result of action, not the cause of it. Myth number 2. It takes 21 days to master the proven system for AI-powered content creation. The real number? 66 days on average, and it varies wildly depending on the person. Myth number 3. Successful people in AI tools and technology have some special talent for the proven system for AI-powered content creation. They do not. They just have better systems. Here is what science actually says about the proven system for AI-powered content creation. The number 1 predictor of success is not talent or intelligence. It is the quality of your environment. So what should you actually do about the proven system for AI-powered content creation? First, design your environment for success. Make the right choice the easiest choice. Second, use the 2-minute rule. If a step toward the proven system for AI-powered content creation takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. No thinking, no planning, just do it. Third, find an accountability partner. Having someone who checks in on the proven system for AI-powered content creation progress doubles your success rate. Remember, the proven system for AI-powered content creation is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Miss a day? Just never miss twice in a row. Like this video if it opened your eyes about the proven system for AI-powered content creation. Subscribe for daily AI tools and technology tips that actually work. See you in the next one.